Hey, how you going? This is Stu Sterling over here in Japan, and I'm going to review the Affiliate Oracle, which is an affiliate marketing course by Adam Payne. Now, you might have heard of Adam Payne. I interviewed him last year, which you can catch the interview on my blog there, stuartsterling.com. So Adam is an internet marketer who specializes in video marketing and also affiliate marketing, niche affiliate marketing. He's been doing it for a long time, many years. I've known Adam for several years, and we both live in Japan. We both do internet marketing, and he releases some really good training that is newbie friendly. Also, it's good for intermediate to advanced marketers as well. But mainly this course here, the Affiliate Oracle, is based on, or is targeted to a relative newbie who wants to start from scratch, who wants to know what niche to go after, wants to know how to set up a website, how to pick a good affiliate offer, how to drive traffic, and he has all of these points covered with step-by-step training videos, really easy to understand. And I think he's asking $27 for this course, which is very good value because he does go in depth a lot and pretty much teaches you everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing and making commissions. So he has given me a review copy, and this is what it looks like inside the members area. Basically, all the points that you need to know. Getting the whole picture about how to, basically get people to buy. This is a very important piece. He starts there. He goes through all of the kind of tech stuff, what you need to do to set up a converting website and converting offer. Getting a domain name. Creating reviews, okay, choosing something to promote again, tracking, he goes through a lot. Then traffic training, Facebook ads, case study. So everything here that you need to get started making commissions is here. So $27, it's one of the better affiliate marketing courses for this price that you're gonna find. It's not mind-blowing next level stuff. It is really for beginners who want to just start making some simple commissions with their own simple affiliate website. Now you might be wondering, okay, what else do I need? What else is Adam offering in this funnel? So here you can see on screen he's got a one-time offer, which is a conversion point course, which is it's all about kind of establishing, how do you say, a good relationship with your target market, and it's mainly focused on building your community. If you're this is a good long-term strategy. So if you're interested in learning how to build a relationship with your email list, or how to grow a community on Facebook or something like that, then this course would be good for you. Now, the other upsell here is the YouTube Ads Mastery course. It's all about how to do YouTube ads, basically. So if you're interested in that, you can pick that up for $97 as well. The thing is, with the way Adam does marketing, he always provides a lot of value, which his customers love, and his customers keep buying and buying and buying. So that's really one of the secrets to successful marketing, whether it's affiliate marketing or selling your own products, is to keep providing value and basically building a good relationship with them. So he's been able to make a lot of good results. 90,000 from one of his products here, 4K from an affiliate promo here, 4 clicks, 3 sales. So that's one of his students or one of his friends that has gotten results using his teachings. And he's always getting highly placed on affiliate leaderboards. So Adam knows what he's talking about. So if you want to know how he does it, so you can, copy his style, copy the way he does his affiliate marketing, go grab this course. It's $27. That's the price right now. I'm not sure if it will go up, but I'll let you know if it is going up. So to grab it, you can click on the order button. This product is not available yet. Okay, so 26th of February, this will go live. He's using Pay Kickstart. You'll be able to use PayPal or your credit card to purchase this. So thanks for watching. If you decide to grab Affiliate Oracle, I'm sure you'll like it, because anything that Adam produces is top quality and I can stand behind it and fully recommend it. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time.